Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to check the real battery health on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and if you are using the iPhone, you need to check the battery health of your phone so that you can know the performance of your battery. So now you just need to visit the settings, and after you open the setting, go scrolling down until you found battery sections. And whenever you find this battery section, go click it, and now you just need to wait until all of the information is pop up. So in this section you can analyze all of related to battery and the use of the application of the battery too. And after that, to check the battery health, you just need to go click this battery health and charging. And now you just need to see that the maximum capacity of your battery health is 80%. Means that your phone now, your battery now cannot fully charge into 100%. So that's the way how to check your battery health on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.